Hi there, Luke. This is Sheena with SOP Digital Solutions, and I really appreciate you texting me back and letting me send you this video. So I'll go ahead and get started. I'll talk about three things, which is your content, your backlinks and citations, which really helps out with ranking in the number one or first page of Google, which is what a lot of our construction company are working for. So we're going to go ahead and start out with yours. So I can see the call to action that you have here in this, especially this hero section. You call it hero section. Great job with having call to action, with, finding out how, call us today, and scheduling today. Of course, we want to be able to have, if in case that they try to get a hold of you or the schedule today is not there, we want to have a form as well for our customers to drop their information, so there won't be any opportunity for us to miss their information and we can call them back. But really good website. I love the review, the social proof that you have there. So one thing about, it looks like you have a digital marketer who's working on your website. One thing that we want, or the Google wants, is words, right? So the very ideal number of words will be 1,500 to 2,000, because in having that content, you will let the crawlers of Google go to your website and be able to say that if you have a keyword of remodeling contractors in San Antonio, then Google will be able to find that and be able to say that you are established with that keyword, right? So basically giving yourself more room for keywords so that you are establishing your authority more. So let's go ahead and just visit your this search, right? So we search remodeling contractors in San Antonio. So the great thing about what initiatives you are doing right now is that you guys are doing a great job with the citation being found in the Google Map Pack. So really great job on that. But we also want to be able to work on the organic part of the Google as well, which is being found in the first page in a lot of the keywords that our competition has. So right now your competition, so some of these are directories, blogs. Your competition right now is going to be KM builders, which I think I have already pulled up here. So your competition has doesn't have a lot of content as well. A lot more of photos, but let me just double check. So even their photos are not optimized. So you want that as well, because even that information will be taken into account by Google. It's a great job of the optimization of the photos. Alright, so great job with the optimization of the photos. But of course, since this is your number one competition, we want to be able to review what they're doing, and what can we do in order for us to increase your rating, or place you in the number one section of Google, right, or page one. So this website right here, it's Ahrefs. It's called Ahrefs, and this is my bread and butter. This helps me determine, what kind of work does your competition has done, and what we can do to kind of, keep up or catch up to them. So UR rating is basically your URL, the power of your URL, right? So the highest is 100, they are at 35, so that's pretty powerful. But UR and DR rating should be relatively about the same. So their domain rating is impacted by the backlinks that they are using, which is this, which I'll be discussing in a little bit. Although it looks like there's a lot of backlinks in there, it might be a lot of them are spammy backlinks, which is like broken. So that's a reason why it's not powering up the domain rating. But definitely good enough to be able to give them an organic traffic estimate of 930 per month. So organic traffic is estimated monthly organic traffic from the searches. So people are, basically searching and going through the website. So 930 of them, right? All right, so then backlinks will be basically a shout out from other domains. So there are 221 domains out there that's shouting out KM builders. So basically getting their referring domains and being able to, you don't want to be doing this all at once, but it's something that you build in time, which I've seen in your website as well. Because it cannot be done all at once, otherwise basically Google will notice that, right? So it's going to be unnatural. So being able to increase those backlinks and also using those organic keywords, as we've mentioned earlier in the content, being able to use those content or those keywords that will rank you, right? So in this keywords that they have there, it's saying that they are positioned as number 1, so which means it's not page 1, but they are number 1 in this search. So if a customer types San Antonio residential general contractors, they are showing up as ranked number 1. It means they are in page 1. You can be ranked 2 but still in page 1, but they are dominating in these, right? So utilizing that, and volume, it's saying that there's this much each month of searches for this keyword, and 5 KD is the keyword difficulty. It means that it's going to be easy to rank. So finding those low hanging fruit, which means high volume, low keyword difficulty, will help you rank high in these keywords. So being able to use those local keywords, home contractors, San Antonio, using that keyword. There's 50 volumes on there, low KD, they're position number 1. So utilizing those and sprinkling it around your website will kind of really help you establish your authority out there. So hopefully this helped out. It's just a little bit. With yours, let's check and see. So the power for yours is this, right? So 23 organic traffic. So you can see the opportunity that can be built here. Definitely a really great opportunity if you kind of mirror what they're doing and the keywords they're using. So the opportunity is how many traffic per month? 930. Currently you are at 23. So I know that they have a little bit more tenured website, but being able to replicate what they're doing will help you get up there. So the great thing about yours, your domain is powerful. You have really good backlinks, but being able to catch up with those keywords and kicking up your backlinks as well will really help out. Otherwise, let me know what your thoughts are. Hopefully this helps out your SEO company as well. If you need anything from me, let me know so that I know if I can help you out. Other than that, thank you so much and have a great day. Bye.